In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Toyota Tundra located right here on the dash. So we're going to start by inserting the key and turning it to the on position. Now right here on this pin, we're going to press that until we can see the trip A. Then we're going to turn the ignition key back off. The next step is we're going to reach over with one hand, press and hold the pin here, press it and hold it in, turn the key to the on position, and we have the flashing lights, and you can see them disappearing one by one, and we're all at 0. You can release it, turn off the ignition key, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.